In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to read-only view in Canva. This is a simple trick that helps you look over a design without accidentally moving, resizing, or editing anything. It's perfect for reviewing a layout, presenting a draft, or sharing your screen with someone while keeping every element safely in place. Start by opening the Canva project you want to review. Once the design loads, focus on the top left area of the Canva editor. You'll see a label that says Editing with a small downward arrow next to it. That label tells you the current mode, and right now, it means you're in editing mode, where changes can be made to the design canvas. Click the word Editing or the little arrow beside it to open a small menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Viewing. Go ahead and click Viewing. As soon as you select it, Canva switches your project into a read-only view. You'll know it worked because the label at the top will change from editing to viewing, and the editing handles and bounding boxes around elements will no longer appear when you move your mouse across the canvas. From here, you can scroll through pages, zoom in and out, and look at every detail without the risk of nudging a photo, shifting text, or accidentally deleting something. Clicking on objects won't activate them for editing, so you can confidently navigate the design, show it to others, or check spacing and alignment without making unwanted changes. This mode is especially useful if you're double-checking a layout before exporting, comparing versions, or walking a client or teammate through the design. It lets you concentrate on what you're seeing rather than worrying about what you might change. If you're reviewing a multi-page document, you can still use the page thumbnails on the side to move around. If your project is a presentation, you can use viewing mode to preview the slide's flow without altering the slide content. If you find yourself testing links, reading copy, or evaluating colors and spacing, viewing mode keeps everything stable, so your design stays exactly as intended while you look it over. And if you do click around, don't worry, nothing will shift or break because you're safely in read-only mode. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click the editing label at the top left, choose viewing, and enjoy a clean, worry-free way to review your work.